here the Avery 8 tabs, one set of them, because sometimes adulting really does need color coding. And I like these because sometimes my binders need a little, you know, rainbow joy in them. But whether I'm organizing paperwork for work or personal projects or anything grown up that I wish that I could delegate, these tabs do really keep me on track. I like that I can easily write on the insert, or you can always go online and do the Avery 8 tab in your printer and print. You know, Avery has the template, but the tabs do stay put in place when they're in here, which I like. So when you open your binder, they're not like flying out. They do stay in place. I like the reinforced holes because sometimes I get a little fast and friendly with my papers and they're not going to rip out. But no tragic binder blowouts with these. But you know what? They arrived really fast. They are way more cheerful than plain white paper. And you know what? They make adulting slightly more fun.